this year so yaye or try say obema Kumasi aye Kumasi e san say aha aye Kumasi ne senti ne bohye ena oguso a odi no na eyam say ye Ashanti festival no eye niema bebre ena wom ene na ye film summit ena ye beye na ye ba ye no NFA for ebai na ba no mo ba ye no me mercy me hunu bi da e che se fi se ye me status ni no me hu se NFA abekumase ene film abehia ene ye di nkomo sei na nkomo a ye di ni ne no nyame animu ne ahye ye nkuan ama ye ni so age ama ye hu se Ghana ye ka ho enu nti eye me enu nti na me se eye me de no na de twatwo kra ye enkomo a omo ne ya bedi no ene se ne omo asini ya bekasa ne ye hunu se ye ka ho because edu mre bebre a aya na ubete ye se NFA omo ye meeting wa Accra omo ye we bibi omo ye ya Accra sebi me metimi atuka akwa Accra but sebi me colleagues ni bi filmmakers ni bebre enye obia na ho boa beso na kwankro se NFA ye bibi won kran nti wo so okọ but omo ba down na omo ne nyina be hia ye no ama aye nipa dodo na anigye ne senti me bo eye yewura James Gardner deputy me bo na baso ewo akwantua otu ne ye bedi nkomo na me ka na me nkanya Dr. Amoakohene ono ena ne yehu nyina yehu na dwempa ene ni susupa ena ama ene yenso film industry and I say Kumawood yenso yehu ni say sebi Ghana memu ye ka ho bi yeda na se na ne ye kosoa ne titru ne ne ti nyina eye omampanyini esan se wa amano dibre no ana wan support na kontimi ntu sa na mo no eti yeda omampanyina se me ka na wie ye nyina ekowie yesi panyi dwale wie na esu asa na wie ye nyina eye yewura opemso yeda ono so ase ono na ma ye trim eye yeda ye kon deda ye ho a yede nenam Kumase a ohene piao yeda wase enti ene sinifo ye ni age pa na ye sre se ne ewo se ye nsaka ne ye hunu ewo ye dwuma num nyina ede anim nyina ye nsa ebeka medam wase.
Dialogue there is the most important thing. Say open say we solve problems say wo honoma e yen common nkitahudie itini ma bi say no say yanya ye nyina yentumi embehiem entie ne we worker entie ne we so worker ene ne we so worker enti no ye tie no ne ye hu the problems are wo ho aha any the way a ebetu anamo obi kwampo wo no ma obeka problem ni we a osakwa sat me share solution a ohwa ebetimi aden aboa it's when you na yenso ye take your notes ye call back na yakwa ye homework a lot of the things are omo kasafa ho no e ya de ya started da ya started ye ne mother ministries and other agencies e bo ho nkomo a ye hyehyɛ a wo ho no mu deda but say enyenye wie nti no maybe so wo no mo ye be patch o say abotre ene mekasa say abotre me sure say sa frustration we enye me free da na ba be do ase but omonti ase say ye wo industry no bi nti ye nim the way industry no esitie any how much ababe suffer nti we are trying our best to make sure say stakeholders any obia or connected to the movie industry will get whatever they deserve from the cake. Right.
Now, for moment,
Isa, me visual artist, me Ejuma Kumase here, me studio or Emina Boedi, and also me a student for Kenya, me PhD. Really, me share ni movie industry but also me work art ni. And so I was invited by Awuche to be a part of the panelists to discuss, discussing movie. Any the Buama movies, no, it's me called global. But basically, made the mini experience of movies, movie industry, but the may know you're somehow related to movie industry, talk no movie tia mainly foundation be a bit me aboama movie industry no so it's me akọ n'anim akọdru pempen so art no edru no because art no ye hwe Africa Ghana ewiase mu a Kumasi is a very important hub for contemporary art because artists are producing from KNUST. It's may reach global audience. Exhibitions be globally. And na me hu ne say enkabom ne ahobrase ne odo ne tema ye wo ma ye ho a ye de ye adwuma ma ye dru bebi a ye dru no say me catch me nuanom e wo film industry no mu a omo so mbetimi invent sa style no bi na omo de aye de omo de ye. Neoma mekai de nini na boom esame up to enkabom collaboration how a movie industry no bit me collaborate with artists and I'm over here last question I buy cry emwa me meet media abo in terms of almost set design de mekai anzo ne say emwa ni na free collaboration omoba schools ni mu a there are so many young artists almost omo we school and omo be we school omo pe ba bi de omo ti ahye usually say medical fields now and our law schools now. It's a lawyer, school no person internship or call law firm. Medical students person internship or call medical institution. Business we also call bank. But a banner art more almost pay internship almost call bank, almost call airport, almost call baby any related to artistic practice. And these are some of the institutions on which me are welcoming some of these students into say painting and sculpture ni and as a painter be and a sculpture ni and as set designer be and as ceramics be per baby internship they should be welcome to do their internship with the movie industry. Now through that normal build a collaborative effort be on meeting media build the students will benefit, the movie industry will also benefit. And so basically media they me work on how I ever bridge difference na afi painting artists say me meet many filmmakers aye juma na filmmakers nso too many artists say me aye juma. That's what the way forward is see this event. And also we heard that most of the movie stars said this is the first time omo BBC will Kumasi, but everyone because in the art field Kumasi is very very important. Na everyone say movie industry no there somehow omo said this is the first time a forum BC ekoswa. So hopefully this is not the last. And also we heard the confrontation of course so horoma say yeni abre enye bonimu it wasn't entokwa, it was just confrontation to settle some scores. And I hope you say ebe boa and most so bloggers mo kono de mo kochro no mo ncho manenye de enye ntokwa ne course wo ha negotiation for a better future nti mo ncho manenye de say asem ne be fa mo na mo be say be basa so mo na mo be because me shey inside cra nipa be 5 na edin kan send am me say program na wo no na omo kono, but it wasn't a fight. But bloggers na started troze no omo kon ma say nkomo na wi nti ye building na mo say no +1 - 6 nti ye hwemo a mo mo aye na yeso yentimi mo amo yeda ma say